Hi, in this tutorial we are going to see multiplier to 7 segment output. So as of now we have created a half adder, full adder, 4-bit adder, 4 cross 4 multiplier, and we have displayed that output on LEDs. To achieve the output on 7 segment display, we have created a binary to BCD converter, and we also create BCD to 7 segment decoder first, and then we create 7 segment counter next. Then we create 16-bit BCD to 7 segment decoder, so we can display that multiplier output in more than one digit. Let's quickly create a project for that. I name it as multiplier to 7 segment. Okay, we have to add that existing files first. We have to add all those files. So I already have that files in order. Just add them. So you can see that half adder, full adder, 4-bit adder, 4 cross 4 multiplier, binary to BCD converter, and BCD 16-bit BCD to 7 segment decoder. Let's finish them. Okay, so everything is added. Now we have to create a new source for top module. Name it as that multiplier to 7 segment. Okay, finish. So we have the ports, like first we need clock input, then we need input from switches. We have to provide X and Y. Here is it. We have to provide X and Y and take the output on 7 segment. So X is the input with a range of 3 down to 0. Then we also have a Y input of 3 down to 0. Then we have a digit with an output of 3 down to 0. Then we have a 7 segment that is again an output of 7 down to 0. So that's all the port declarations. So we have code added. Next, what we can do, we simply copy all the entities and rename it as a component. Let's say we have to copy that multiplier entities. Copy. Then we have a binary to BCD. Then BCD to 7 segment. And rename everything to component. Name should be of component. in component entity. Okay, everything was named as component. Next we have to declare some signals. Signal will be of let's say the first thing that is coming out of the multiplier is product. So P is the binary output of this multiplier that is going to be going as an input to this binary input of BCD to binary to BCD. Then this BCD will go to an input of these switches. Instead of switches to 7 segment display, we have created this BCD output is going to be supplied here. So just name a signal with signal name called product. Then we have std underscore logic underscore vector of it is of 8 bits. So we can have it 7 down to 0. Then we name something like signal with the name of BCD and we keep it as standard logic vector of 15 down to 0. It should be semicolon. So we have two signals created. Next, straight away we have to do port mapping. I just name it as mul for multiplier. So entity name multiplier 4x4 with the port map. I have to check the name matches exactly. Multiplier 4x4. Okay. Then we have three things: x, y, p. Instead of p, we are substituting this signal product. So it will automatically assign that product term to p. The p will be assigned with product terms. Next we have binary to BCD code. So that one consists of its name is binary to BCD. Binary to BCD port map of. So this one consists of, initially we have a clock input, then we have a binary input of 8 bit, that is that binary will be assigned with this product signal. Then we have a BCD. So BCD consists of BCD 0, 1, 2. What we can do is we can assign something like BCD of 3 down to 0, then BCD of 7 down to 4. Then we have a BCD of 11 down to 9. Not 9, 8. Okay, terminate these things. Then we have something like multiply binary to BCD. Then we have that BCD to 7 segment. I name it as segment. with BCD 16 to 7 segment. Here we have a port map. Then here we have a clock as an input. Then we have a switch. Instead of switch input 16-bit, we have to assign that BCD, that is output from this part. So except that BCD 15 down to 12, that was not assigned with any value, but we simply keep that thing as a signal and assign as a 16-bit BCD. Then we have a digit and 7 segment. This should be kept as it is. 7 segment. Okay, fine. So we have created all the steps. So we first port map to multiplier, then binary to BCD, then 7 segment. So this is what we have done so far. If you save that, then all the things will come under that part. I will save this one. You can see that multiplier is under that multiplier to 7 segment at the top module with that multiplier binary to BCD, and we have a BCD 16-bit to 7 segment display codes. Next we quickly create constraints. So multiplier to 7 segment, finish. So open that constraints, and here we can provide that constraint details. I simply copy the existing constraints and rename it. For 7 segment and clock added. So clock should be of small case sensitive. That XDC is case sensitive, so we have to name it as small CLK. Then we have another constraint where that multiplier constraint got X and Y. So copy that thing and paste here. So X and Y inputs are from slide switches. So that multiplier output should be on 7 segment display. Let's do that generate bit string. And open schematics, Hotil schematics, to visualize the design. So you can see that schematics consist of three things, that multiplier, binary to BCD, and BCD to 7 segment. If you expand them, you can visually see that whatever the architecture we have created earlier. So this one is that 4x4 array multiplier, which consists of 4-bit adder along with that AND gate logics. Then we have that binary to BCD part. So this part, it's you can see so many logics are implemented inside this binary to BCD. Then we have so BCD to 7 segment part, this one. So next we quickly turn on the kit and do the programming. Turn on the kit. Then we can open the hardware and do the program. Auto connect. Program. So all the outputs are low, so you can see that 7 segment is displaying low. If I make the first 4 bits, you don't see any output differences until I make that y 4 bits of y to any value. So here you can see 1111, that is nothing but 15. If I make that y input the first bit high, then it will display 15. If I make it to 1 1, that is 1 1 is nothing but 3. 3 into 15, that is 45. In case of this 3 bits are high, that is 7 into 15 will give you 105. If I make all 4 bits high, then it is 15 into 15, 225, that is displaying.